What I want to do is to grip the club on the left hand, and then basically going back and forth like this. And the question is why? Well, you're throwing a club, forcing the club forward, right? So that means that your body has to follow this reaction, right? And sooner or later you will develop a feel for that your hip is going that way, and that you have to counter that force there by moving your upper body there, right? This is a coordinated effort. So I'm throwing club head, and my pelvis is going down. And the key here is to find the feel when the body moves. So my lower body will move as I throw the club. Because if it doesn't move, it's just an arm swing. Support, it's a wheel or whatever you call it. The key here is find the feel. Because since the golf swing is a half motion, that means that the hip will move a half turn. Now obviously when you put your right hand to this one, you will square up the shoulders a bit. So that means that most people's tendency is then to use this, shoulder turn. The thing here is when you have the feel of one hand, the right hand, you start to replicate that feel. And you will notice that it's a little bit different than just having one. At least to see it for me. Adding the other club, and once I can do that, I have no turn before impact. This is what happened. I haven't turned yet. My hands and arms, if they're doing the right thing here, will be here. Right? This happens because you're freewheeling it here. But since my body doesn't turn before after, which most people have a lot of trouble doing. Changing the grip first, I have no issue with that. Second is putting up in the stance, right? And you have no reference in golf mode. So if I have this, okay, I understand this counterweight here, okay, I got it. This is leverage, okay. Pivot, my pelvis going down, okay, I can understand that. And then putting in the right hand there, trying to replicate that kind of motion. And then as I get this feel down, I can replicate it. The next thing is obviously is to have the evidence that you're doing it right and all that stuff, but I don't take that in this tape. Just get the feel down until this works. And hopefully something like that will happen when you start to hit the ball. That you are Even though when I was, what, 30% hitting the ball, it goes far away with these balls. So try that at home and see what happens. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Keep those questions far away. I'm gonna get back to my practice and I'll run for golf.